So it's week 11, the Tuesday night crits. We got 2 away in the E12. So we got Conrad and Chris Moores have got away. Lewis Atkins is chasing. With Conrad's, oh no, there's Conrad, so it's a different rider. So it's not Conrad in the E12s, but a Sigma rider in nonetheless. Still 2 riders away. Where are the rest? Here they come down the hill. Don't think this is going to last long. There's a good chase going on here. There's Conrad. And it may only be lap 3, but Chris Morris and this Sigma rider are really doing very well. Their advantage has gone up because so far no one's appeared. Here they come, just coming down the hill. There's a Norwood Paragon rider on the front who I think is controlling this because he's not making an effort. And Chris Morris being his teammate. So that's very good of him. Helping out. Chris Morris has now jumped away, so he's on his own. As Lewis Atkins and Richard and Dante Carpenter are making a big attempt. This is Jimmy Wilson. So we're going to let them go. So Chris Morris is back in the pack. We've got Richard and Dante on the front here. Alex? No, it's not Alex. Here come the E12s. Norwood Paragon on front. They've been very feisty tonight. Obviously keen to do well. Jimmy Wilson on the front of the E12s. Here come the E12s. Nice gap, seems to be a gap, yes. Let's go with. So a little attack going on here with Chris Morris. In the E12, got these 4 just off the going away. The Norwood Paragon rider doing much of the work to get them away. This leading group of E12s has got a little bit bigger. And Lewis Atkins is not going to let them get away. Ben Moore's on the front.
I'm going to, this is not condensation, it's not rain, condensation.
Half an hour, got these 2 off the front in the E12s.
8:05.
And here comes Lewis and Richard, Marsden, Dante. Whoops. Attacking here in the E12s. There's Jimmy chasing after them. Here's Richard Marsden off the front. They've just gone through the 3rds and 4ths. This is the E12s. In fact, the first. No, they're all through now. Mr. Hines is off again. Last week he jumped away and was only caught on the line after being away for a couple of laps. Chris Morris has been sitting on the back of the group for a number of laps and is now attacked, throwing off the E12. 5 to go now for the E12. So Chris Morris on the front still. With about 3 to go in the E12s, Chris Morris has gone off again. So the bell for the E12s. Here come the E12s. So Paul Crook on the front from beyond Brighton both. Nice sprint.